All right, so today we're taking a look at the Ninja Sizzle Pro XL. Now this is the newer version and you can see it is much larger. And look, this is what it actually looks like next to the older one. So about another 25% added to the end of it. If we're talking in food terms, this one's gonna be able to fit about 6 burgers and this one can fit about 10. So if you do have a larger family or if you're constantly cooking for more people, then this one is really gonna make sense. Now up here on the front, this is gonna be our digital display. So you can see all of our options and our modes up here at the top. Right here is gonna be your off and on button. You can go ahead and click this down. This is gonna be your grill and griddle mode, or if you wanted to use a specific custom temperature, you can do that there. Everything is controllable right here with this knob. So you can see I can slide this knob back and forth and that's gonna change our temperature. Then I can go ahead and click on this time button right here and change out the time if we wanted to set a timer. Then all you need to do after that is click on your start and stop button and then you can get to grilling. Now what makes this special is that this is not only a grill, but it's also a griddle. So you're gonna have your grill plate right here and then you've got your grill plate right here. So this is gonna be great for doing things like breakfast, so pancakes, bacon, eggs. It's also really good for smash burger and also for stir fries as well. Then you've got your grill plate, which is great for those grill marks. This is gonna be good for burgers, steak, chicken, hot dogs, or any other type of protein. And they're both gonna be made out of non-toxic, non-stick material as well. So you don't have to worry about any of those forever chemicals. And also it's gonna make it really easy to clean because it is non-stick. Also, there's not that many grooves. I mean, obviously this one has a lot more than this one, but overall it is very smooth. It's not a sharp material on here, so it really does make it nice and easy for you to like wipe this down real quick before throwing it in the dishwasher. Now taking a look at the heating element right here, you can see that it's got a nice design and pattern, and the way that this works is it's gonna have edge-to-edge heating technology, and they do a really good job of making sure that there's not gonna be any hot spots. So this is heated all around. So when I go ahead and I put this plate down and we get to cooking on here, I don't have anywhere on this grill that is hotter or cooler than the other. It does a really good job of heating everything evenly. And one of the reasons is that heating element. The other reason is how they made this material down here at the bottom. It is very conducive to heat and it also spreads the heat out throughout the plate. So it does a really good job of making sure that that heat is spread out. Now when it comes to oil, everything is gonna go ahead and drip down right here. And then down here at the bottom, this is gonna be your drip tray. So everything is gonna drip right into here, again making it really easy to clean. The older version of this only had a drip tray up here in the front, so you could only collect so much oil at a time. But because of the fact that this is a lot larger, I think that they actually added this drip tray just because they know you're gonna be grilling quite a bit more. Now what makes this a true indoor grill is gonna be this smokeless grill top right here. So you're gonna see that this is stainless steel. It's gonna have these perforations in here, and this is what's really gonna trap that smoke on the inside, again making it a true indoor grill. It's also gonna help with oil splatter as well. But it kind of depends on what it is that you're cooking specifically. When it comes to things like burgers, I don't like condensation building up. It does have the perforated holes, so it does release a little bit of heat, but I like cooking my burgers on an open grill. So I'll keep this open just like this. But if you do have something that splatters quite a bit, it is nice because you can go ahead and press that down, keep a little bit of that smoke and oil in there, and it's not a big problem. Now, if you wanted to use this as an outdoor grill, you can easily just take the lid and pop it off. You can see that it's got 2 pieces right here that are gonna go into the back of it. It's just gonna slide down into place like that and pop right back off. So this turns into your outdoor grill. It's also great for if you're gonna be going camping as well. Either way, you can use the lid in either of those situations. Now going back to the size of this thing, it is actually huge. This is a great replacement for if you don't want to be outside barbecuing. So maybe it's winter, or maybe you live in an apartment and you need something that's going to be smaller, compact, and a little more functional. This thing is great. I mean, look how slim this thing is. It sits right on your countertop, and you are able to bring this and put it away somewhere like your pantry or in one of your cabinets. So I love the functionality of it being so small. I mean, I wanted a Blackstone for the longest time, but they're huge. They take up so much space, and I'm so glad that we went with this instead because it is basically just a tabletop version of that. Now this one is definitely going to be smaller than something like a Blackstone, but now that they made the XL version, I feel like this is plenty for our family of 4. So if you have a family that is larger, I still think that this is a viable option. Again, you can make about 10 burgers on here. I would say you probably could do about 6 steaks. pancakes, kind of depending on the size. And then when it comes to the griddle, you definitely will be able to make a full breakfast spread. I would say you can make about 6 to 8 larger pancakes on here. You can do your bacon, eggs, sausage, or pretty much anything else on here. And then when it comes to smash burgers, I would say you could probably do about 4 smash burgers on here. So a very good amount. And of course you could keep continuing to cook on here as well. So if you're looking for a smaller tabletop compact grill, I think that this is a really good option, especially if you live in apartments, need something to bring with you camping, or just something for you to have in the house to whip up an easy meal without having to go outside to the larger barbecue. So if that's something you're looking for, the Ninja Sizzle Pro XL is definitely what I would recommend.